In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a conversation in Google Chat using a pop-up window. First, open Google Chat in your web browser. You can go directly to the Google Chat website or open chat inside Gmail if that's where you usually work. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your conversations live. If chat opens inside Gmail, that's perfectly fine. The controls we'll use are the same and will appear in the chat view. Next, locate the conversation you want to keep handy. This could be a direct message with a colleague or a space where your team collaborates. You can scroll through the left sidebar to find it, or use the search bar at the top to jump right to it. Open the conversation so you're looking at the message thread. Choosing the right chat now ensures you're pinning exactly what you need quick access to later. With the conversation open, look for the three dots menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. You'll usually find it near the top right of the chat header or next to the conversation name. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse over the chat area or widen your browser window a bit. Click those three dots, then select Open in a pop-up. This detaches the conversation into its own floating window so you can keep it visible while you work. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow pop-ups for Google Chat and try again. You can drag and resize this pop-up window to fit your workspace. Inside the pop-up, find the three dots menu again. It's in the same general spot, near the top right of the pop-up's header. Click it, then choose Pin. The moment you pin it, Google Chat marks that conversation as a favorite so it's easier to reach later. Depending on your layout, you'll see the chat appear in a pinned section of your sidebar, or you might notice a small pin icon indicating it's been favorited. You can close the pop-up at this point if you like. The conversation stays pinned. The next time you need it, look for the pinned area in your chat list to jump right in without searching. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same three dots menu and select Unpin. That's all there is to it. By opening the chat in a pop-up and using the pin option there, you make your most important conversations just one click away whenever you're working.